Welcome back, guys, to yet another unboxing video. Today I have the Galaxy S7 5G. I'm very excited to dive in right into this one with you guys. But right before we do that, please give us a big thumbs up. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support. But today, let's dive in right into this one. So, Galaxy Tab S7. Very excited for this one. One of the main reasons why I wanted to get this tablet is because I kind of cut the cord with Apple. And that might be a different story for a different video. But I am very satisfied with my switch from Apple. And I wanted to go complete Samsung ecosystem. So here we are. Let's see what we got in here. Now, I opted to get this at a Black Friday deal that Samsung was running. That unfortunately is outrun already. But part of the promotion is they will give you $150 off the tablet. And they gave you this awesome controller for free. They also will give you 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for free. And 4 months of YouTube Premium for free. So that's a lot of free stuff just because you got a tablet from them. Ooh, my goodness. This thing is sexy, guys. Wow. This feels very premium. My God. Wow, very cool. Very, very cool indeed. I'm gonna enjoy this, I can tell you that. Now, one of the really cool things of this tablet is this, you see this black space right here? The tablet comes included with an S Pen, which, to be honest with you, Samsung shamelessly copied the idea of the magnet and a flat side from Apple with the Apple Pencil 2nd gen. And how you do this is you can actually put this like right here. It's like a magnetic thing. And it will actually charge that way. So I don't know how useful it is to have it in the back. I thought the idea of putting it on top like Apple did was the best option. I guess it couldn't do that for copyright reasons, but this is basically the same concept. But hey, the pen comes with it, which is really cool. One of the things that they were able to do with this pen is the screen on the device is actually 120 FPS. And part of the reason they did that is because they wanted to reduce the latency on the pencil itself. And just like the Galaxy Note Ultra, they were able to reduce that down to only 0.9 milliseconds, which is exactly what the Apple Pencil does on the iPad. So that's what they were trying to achieve, and they achieved that with the high refresh rate. So I'm very eager to try that. And I may actually make a review video down the road to talk about the product because I'm very excited to see how it compares to the Apple iPad. Now, another cool thing about this device is this is the first 5G tablet in the market. Now, you can choose your carrier there. This actually goes with pretty much any carrier out there. I chose AT&T because that's my carrier. But this actually came with an AT&T SIM card already, which is awesome. So that way I can get it active on my plan. Inside, you have a adaptive fast charger. This is actually 15 watts, which I'm sure will do the job right. But I wish they would have included a 25 watt one. The reason I say that is because the tablet actually supports that. But hey, it is a fast charger anyways. You can complain too much. Seems here we got some instructions, nothing fancy. That's about it on the tablet department. So I'm gonna put this bad boy back in here. And then we're gonna move to the next one. Now, I actually went ahead and bought the keyboard, they call it the book cover keyboard. I went ahead and bought that. And part of the reason is because I really like the idea of typing or using the tablet basically as a laptop replacement. I really do like that idea. For what I do on a routinely basis, I really don't need a laptop. To be honest, I have a laptop and I rarely use it. I basically just got it because I wanted to play certain PC games that you can play otherwise. So here you go. You got the keyboard itself. Very neat. This actually has a trackpad on it, which is really neat. This is something that the original keyboard for the iPad didn't include, so I appreciate that they did that. And then this is actually pretty interesting. It's actually a two-piece case, I guess you can say, where this actually attaches underneath the tablet itself. The tablet itself actually has some connectors at the bottom, which are kind of like the smart connectors on the iPad. And of course the keyboard has those connectors in here. So all you do is just kind of let it in there, and it's magnetic and goes in. But the back is completely exposed. So this is where this piece comes in here, which is also magnetic. And you just kind of place it like this. There we go. Very neat. So this protects the back. And then of course, in here, it actually allows you to mount that S Pen. I'm not sure how I feel about, again, with this being in the back, it seems kind of an odd place to put it. But, you know, I'm all about functionality over whether it's awkward to be there. But there you go. So it's protected. At least it won't fall. Very cool. This feels really nice. I would say, just to kind of put it out there for those that care about this sort of thing, the keyboard is really cool, but I would say that this feels very heavy. And, you know, it's not something that you could do. The keyboard is really nice, but the keyboard feels a lot heavier than it should. At least the iPad, or at least the Magic Keyboard that I play with the iPad, it is indeed heavy, but it's not as heavy, I guess. So very interesting. Now what's really cool about this piece of the case also is that you can actually do this. You can do it all the way down or in the middle. So super eager to dive down into this and find out how it works. And then finally, we're gonna go right into this awesome controller that they just gave to me for free. So I'm super interested to see how this does. Now, the reason they included this is because of Game Pass. Obviously, Samsung has some sort of deal with Microsoft, and they chose Samsung to be the official, I guess, smartphone provider and now tablet provider to play xCloud on the go. Now, I will have to say, I can report that I do have xCloud on my notes, and I have indeed tried it with my Xbox controller, and it works amazing. So if you haven't tried that, you should get into that. Whoa, I guess I dropped something here. Let's see what I dropped here. Okay, so nothing crazy, just USB-C to USB-C. I'm assuming this is what they use to either plug into the phone or charge it. So very cool stuff. There's nothing in here. So you got some cool instructions in here. All right, very cool. They're all with very colorful pictures. I kind of appreciate that. Reality is most days they don't come with instructions anymore. So, all right, let's dive into this. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, this feels really nice. Wow, look at that. It has back buttons and everything. And the grip feels really good. Wow, I'm amazed of how premium this feels. Wow, okay. And then what's this? Oh, very cool. So this is to, I'm assuming, connect to your phone to it. There's some sort of grip. Actually, I'm not gonna get into it too much right now in the video, but this might actually be in my review, but I really appreciate they included this. So that's pretty much it. So you got that Galaxy Tab S7 5G, and of course the controller. Now, like I said, I am gonna do a review, and I will compare it to the iPad because I came from the iPad. And my biggest thing is I want to see how this performs for my daily tasks. Also, how the keyboard works, how it feels, and of course, I'm gonna test that xCloud. But until then, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that bell so that way whenever my review comes up, you'll be able to see it right away. You get that notification on your phone. This is Hector for the Nerd Herd, signing out.